What's going on, everybody? So today we're going to be working on a MacBook Air 2017. The battery is, that's it. It's dead. It's gone. I tried all the key combinations to reset the pram, reset the SMC. I even unplugged the battery for a while and I switched up the charger and it's still saying, change battery. The battery is basically not charging. That's a common problem with these MacBook Airs. But yeah, let's jump into it. I ordered it from Amazon. I'll write it in the descriptions. That way you guys can know. I actually grabbed a good battery. It's from this year. I guess they have a different upgrade now. So all right, let's jump into it. Amazon well packed it, huh? Okay. The good thing about it is that it came with both of the screwdrivers. I already took out the screws just to make it faster. They do have a 5-point tip. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, but anyways, you can take out all the screws from the bottom case. Now keep in mind that if you put the hinge towards the front of you, the longer screws, there's two longer screws. They go right in the middle of the hinge. All right, let's get to it. Let's go. Five-point, and then Torx. This is a Torx. I don't know the number, but I'll put it in the descriptions. All right, let's get to it. Let's go. First thing you want to do is unplug the battery. And hold down the power button. About 7 seconds. Hold down the power button just so it could discharge whatever current is in there. All right, that's good. All right. That goes 4. All right, so far what I noticed is that the two top in the corner are longer and the bottom ones are shorter. And there's one in the middle. It's also long. All right, those are out. Let's see. That's it. I don't know. It seems too simple, right? Apple was trying to charge, I believe it was $200 just to do this. Yeah, no, not worth it. Alright, let's get the new battery, let's match it up. Yeah. The new battery actually has a little more weight to it, so that should be pretty interesting. All right, we'll plug it in afterwards. We're gonna put all the screws first. We'll start with the middle. Screw that on nice and tight. And let's move to the corners. Top corner. Kind of put them in cross, top first, and then go to the bottom, and then go to the top, and then back to the bottom.
Now you see, in order for you to go from glory to glory, you need to have the fivefold ministry. You need to be built and rooted upon the foundation of the Holy of himself being the chief cornerstone. And that's in Ephesians 2:20. Come on, y'all, let's go.
Careful not to over tighten them too. You'll break the plastic. Very, very delicate there. All right, that's it. Plug it in. Make sure it's in all the way, and yep. Now just put the back plate on, but don't screw it yet because you want to test it out. You want to make sure that everything is working correct. All right, you're back. So we're gonna plug in the charger and see what happens with the new battery. Turn green and turn amber. Okay, that's good. Now let's so far so good. See if the camera can see it. Okay. All right. Put the password in and woo! It's at 57% already, so that means it has some charge. But we're gonna go into about this Mac and system report, and we're gonna see what the power says. Click on power. Cycle count 1. Condition normal. Battery installed, yes. Charging, yes. So that's a good sign. They recommend you charge it all the way and then just drain the battery. You know, just probably put a YouTube video. Hey, put this YouTube video on and just let it drain out. And then recharge it again. Yeah, and we should be good. So MacBook Air 2017, the battery, very easy. It was just 5 screws for the battery, and there were torques. I'll write the exact torque in the description, but the one for the outer casing, the bottom casing, bottom cover, is a 5-point star. So I ordered the battery in Amazon, and it actually came with both of the screwdrivers. They even threw in a free keyboard skin protector. So hey, it was about $67 for the battery. And again, it was this year's battery. I guess they did some upgrades to it. And I'll put that in the description as well. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share it, comment. If you guys want me to do another video on a MacBook Air or MacBook Pro, just leave it in the comments below. Thank you guys.